Hello children, today we are going to see the topic quadrilateral. What is quadrilateral? Let us see. This is the Tamil Nadu map. Do you know very well? Here, 4 different routes are given. The first route is Nagarkoil, Tirunelveli, Virudhunagar, Madurai. Second, Sivagangai, Pudukottai, Tanjavur, Dindigul, Sivagangai. Third one, Erode, Coimbatore, Dharmapuri, Karur, Erode. The fourth one, Chennai, Kudalur, Krishnagiri, Vellore, again Chennai. Okay. So, we connect them, these points, the first 4, Nagarkoil, Tirunelveli, Virudhunagar, Madurai, we connect these 4 cities, we get the shape, this is a straight line. Okay, we connect the 4 cities means we get the straight line. Next, second one, Sivagangai, Pudukottai, Tanjavur, Dindigul, Sivagangai. Okay, we connect this, we get a shape like a triangle. Okay, here are 3 points, that is 1 point is here. Then third and fourth, like we connect these cities, separate this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, these 4 and these 5 we connect, we get the shapes like this. Okay, so the first 4 we connect, we'll get these shapes. We observe the first one, this is a straight line, that is a single line. Okay, the 4 here 1, 2, 3, 4. The 4 points lie on a straight line means the points are collinear. Okay, then the other these 3, the other 3 are closed shapes. Okay, it's a closed shape. So closed shapes, straight line, made of straight lines. So these 3 are closed shape made of straight lines. We name this closed shape as polygons. Okay, these 3 are the polygons. See, concave polygon. What is concave polygon? Polygon having any one of the interior angle greater than 180. That is, here we have 3 angles, no? So any one of, here it is 1, 2, 3, 4 angles. Here it is 3 angles. So any one of the interior angle is greater than 180 means that is concave polygon. Next, convex polygon. Polygon having each interior angle less than 180. Okay. For example, this each interior angle is less than 180. That is the convex polygon. Okay. Squares and rectangles are examples of polygons with 4 sides, but they are not the only ones. Here are some examples of 4-side polygons. We call them quadrilaterals. These are the examples of polygons. We name it as quadrilaterals. Okay, children? Then types of quadrilaterals. This is the quadrilateral types: kite, then trapezium, parallelogram. Parallelogram means rhombus, rectangle, then square. So these are the types of the quadrilaterals. Now let us see the properties of quadrilaterals. First one, parallelogram. This is the parallelogram. Opposite sides are parallel and equal. These 2 is the opposite side and these 2 are the opposite sides. So opposite sides are parallel. Okay, this should be parallel and this should be parallel and equal. So opposite sides are parallel and equal. Then what about angles? Opposite angles are equal. Okay, opposite angles are equal. Sum of any 2 adjacent angle. Adjacent angle means this 2. I like this 2 or this 2 or this 2. Adjacent angles. Okay, so sum of any 2 adjacent angle is 180. Next, diagonals. Diagonals bisect each other. Okay, this is a diagonal. So diagonals bisect each other. Next, rhombus. Rhombus, all sides are equal and opposite sides are parallel. This we have 4 sides. Okay, so in these 4 sides, all the 4 sides are equal and opposite sides are parallel. These are the opposite sides. So these sides are parallel and these sides are parallel. Next, opposite angles are equal. Opposite angles H and A, T and M. Okay, so opposite angles are equal and sum of any two adjacent angle is 180. Adjacent angles means A and M or A and T, T and H or H and M, like this. Okay, so sum of any two adjacent angle is 180. Next, diagonals bisect each other at right angle. Here diagonals bisect each other, but it rhombus at right angle. What is right angle? At 90 degrees. So diagonals bisect like this. Okay, so like this, diagonals means bisect at 90 degree, means here all the four angles, this is 90 degree, this is 90 degree, this is also 90 degree, this is also 90 degree. Okay, that is the meaning of each other at right angle. Next, trapezium. One pair of opposite sides are parallel. This is a trapezium. Only one pair of opposite sides. See this here, AB and CD. This AB and CD is parallel. Then AD and BC is not parallel. Suppose we extend the sides, means like this, we get a triangle. So we have only one pair of opposite sides, AB and CD. Then the angles at the each ends of the non-parallel sides are supplementary. What is supplementary? Supplementary means 180. The angle is 180. The angle at the ends of each non-parallel sides. What is non-parallel sides? This AD and CD. So at the ends of non-parallel sides are supplementary, means 180. Then diagonals need not be equal. See this. This is the longer one and this is the shorter one. So diagonals need not be equal. Next, isosceles trapezium. What does mean by isosceles? Isosceles means two sides are equal, isn't it? So one pair of opposite sides are parallel. This one pair of opposite sides are parallel and non-parallel sides are equal. This BT and SC are non-parallel sides. These two non-parallel sides are equal in length. So BC, TS are parallel sides and BT, SC are non-parallel sides. These two sides are equal in length. Okay. The angles at the ends of each parallel sides are equal. These parallel sides. So the angles at the ends of each parallel sides. This is the two ends of the parallel sides. These T and S, this P. So these angles at the ends of each parallel sides are equal. Then diagonals are of equal length. This BS and TC should be equal. Next, kite. This is two pairs of adjacent sides are equal. See this. These two sides are equal and these two sides are equal. That is two pairs. This is one pair and that is the another pair. So two pairs of adjacent sides are equal. That is GH is equal to GF and FE is equal to EH. Okay. Next, one pair of opposite angles are equal. That is only one pair of opposite angles. Either this one or only one pair of opposite angles are equal. Next, diagonals intersect at right angle. Like this. Okay. Right angle. Diagonals bisect, intersect at right angle. Next, shorter diagonal bisect by longer diagonal. This is the longer diagonal. This is the shorter diagonal. So shorter diagonal bisected by long. Bisect. Bisect means divide by 2. That is the meaning of bisect. Okay. Next, longer diagonal divides the kite into two congruent triangles. This is the longer triangle. This is the longer diagonal. Okay. So longer diagonal divides the kite into two congruent triangles. That is GEF and GHE. Congruent we studied in last chapter. So longer diagonal divides two congruent triangles.